following sponsors who made this event possible. First is the Tiamsing Photography. Thank you for your generous support. Kagawad Tino, Mr. Chi Segadas, Amor Dakot, Miss Joraya Tahari Inom, Aziz Makeup Artistry of course, Hijab by Shamun, Mr. John Konghun, Mr. J. Konghun, and Miss Jack Konghun, Mr. Jeffrey Konghun, the art Okay, I think our candidates are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our candidates in their dream career attire. Beginning with Mr. 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Number 1. That's our future teacher, Mr. Number 1. Next we have Mr. Number 2.
I'm RJ Shinasi, your future army.
That's our future army Mr. Number 2, Mr. RJ Nast. We have Mr. Number 3. No, pa-check up naman.
Your future doctor.
Our future doctor, Mr. Number 3. Let's welcome our second batch. Mr. Number 4, 5, and 6. Mr. Number 4. Host na lalay pa. Ayaw na magpakilala.
Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Aaron Durali, your future businessman.
May pagkano mo din. Host na assistant pa. Next we have Mr. Number 5. Nandiyan na si attorney. Nahiya naman yung suot ko ngayong gabi.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Makamawari in future attorney.
That's our future attorney, Mr. Number 5, Mr. Marco Nawai. Are you ready, Mr. Number 6? Kuya, putukan mo ako. Sir, ka malalaman, sir. I'm Prista. Your future is Scout Ranger. That's our future Scout Ranger. Mr. Number 6, Mr. Prince Justin Tayo. Get ready, our third batch, Mr. Number 7, 8, and 9. Vote for President.
My name is Subiria Bill. Your future is president.
That's our future president. Next we have Mr. Number 8.
Coach Margamari, your future Coast Guard.
That's our future Coast Guard, Mr. Number 8. Get ready, Oppa, Mr. Number 9.
안녕하세요.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Aiser BI, your future businessman.
That's our future businessman, Mr. Number 9. Get ready, our last batch, Mr. Number 10, Mr. Number 11.
Kaya po, minsan,
That's our future businessman. Get ready, Mr. Number 11. Oh, may lagnat ako to. Kochi!
J. Mario Hasan, I'm your future doctor. Handa kitang alagaan at gamutin, baby.
Marami ng alam ha.
Meron ka rin yung nakatawa, gimmick pa.
Mr. number 10, Mr. number 11.
Sa tingin ko, lagyan yung mga kasama niya, hindi yan mga kapatay.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our candidates in their dream career attire for their final look.
Yan sinasabi ko, Grab. Friends.
Palakpakan naman dyan!
Grab. Friends. Marami yan kasi. Hindi, bakit kasi?
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our candidates in their dream career attire. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have given our candidates a chance to speak for themselves for the casual interview. We'll be asking each of our candidates a certain question just all about themselves. For us, judge and our viewers to know something about themselves. Okay? We start with our Mr. Number 1. Would you please step up here? Hello, Mr. Number 1. Kumusta ka?
Okay lang po.
Ito pa kinakabahan. It says, judges, it's just a casual interview. Okay? Wala po itong very sa scoring. Para na po magkaroon ng idea tungkol sa ating mga candidates. My question to you is, pag naging guro ka, saan gusto magturo? Dito sa bayang sinilangan mo o sa ibang lugar?
Dito po.
Bakit?
Para po matuto po sila.
Wala na kami.
Para matuto po sa maging buhay. Tamang buhay po.
Thank you so much. That's our Mr. Number 1. Please go back to your place. He said, para matuto po ang mga batang dito at maging marunong sa buhay. Palakpakan naman po para sa kanya. May I call in our Mr. Number 2? Oh. Our Mr. Number 2. Hello, Mr. Number 2. Kumusta ka naman?
Okay lang po.
Nakita ko yung nanay mo umiiyak. Bakit kaya?
Nag-miss lang po kuya ko.
A heartfelt moment. His brother was one of my alaga. Okay? My question to you is, wala man ngayon ang kuya mo, tingin mo ba nakasuporta siya sa'yo hanggang ngayon? Bakit?
Dahil po yung gilos pinag-umano po na sa dato dahil po para lang po makasama ko.
Thank you so much. That's our Mr. Number 2. Parang panga naman po. Next, our Mr. Number 3. Oh my God. Our future doctor. Doc, kung magiging doktor ka, libre ba ang serbisyo mo?
Ako,
Bakit po?
hindi sa ako makapagod sa mga kapwa ko.
Thank you so much. He said, libre daw po ang kanyang serbisyo para makatulong sa kanyang kapwa. Palakpakan naman po. Thank you so much, our Mr. Number 3. May I call in my Mr. Number 4? Pogi? Hello, Mr. Number 4?
Hello po, kumusta?
Ayun lang ako. Para tayo magkasama nilang linggo ah. Okay, my question to you is, 12 times 36 divided by... My question to you is, actually, last practice mo namin kagabi, nagka-problema yung paa niya. Hindi mo siya makalakad na maayos. Pero bakit mo pinilit na gumaling?
Para po maging proud ang mga magulang ko sa akin.
Thank you so much! That's our Mr. Number 4. Thank you so much. May I call our Mr. Number 5? Ako si Atty. Hello, Mr. Number 5. Kumusta ka? Mr. Number 5 is, this is medyo personal to ako sana malungkot ha. A few days ago, your grandmother died. Nawalan ako si Lola Tonina. Tino ba ako nandito siya? Proud na proud siya sa'yo? Sobra po. Bakit? Kasi natay na nangarap niya sa akin. It's a very heartful message. Thank you so much, Mr. Number 5. May I call our Mr. Number 6? So please go up here. Mr. Number 6. The crowd favorite. Mr. Number 6. Kumusta ka?
Okay lang po.
Saan mo nakuha? Sa ang gubat mo nakuha yung suit mo?
Sa bundok po, nagpunta yun na atak.
Wala ka kayo ng practice ha? My question to you is, wait lang. Gusto mo nang pahirapan? Gusto mo ulit to eh. Oras na parang nakaganti ako. My question to you is, who is your favorite? Si Mama o si Papa? Mayos ka.
Pasensya muna si Papa, si Mama muna.
Dahil dyan, wala kang allowance ng isang linggo. Thank you so much. May I call on our Mr. Number 7? Ang ating El Presidente. Hello, Mr. Number 7. Kumusta po? Hello, President. Kumusta po kayo?
Okay lang po.
Kumusta ang ating gabinete ngayong gabi?
Medyo lumalaban na tayo sa boto.
Mr. President, kung magiging presidente ka ng Pilipinas, kauna-unahang Muslim na presidente ng Pilipinas, ikaw na ba ang magpapasa ng SOGI Bill o ang karapatan ng LGBTQ community at bakit?
Gusto ko pag-uwi ng Pilipinas. Kaya ako tatakbo bilang Pangulo. Gusto ko makatulong sa mga mamamayang Pilipino.
Thank you so much. As our Mr. Number 7, it's just a casual interview. May I call our Mr. Number 8? Nasaan ka na? Hindi ako nalabot siya. Hello sir, good evening.
Hindi po.
Kumusta ka? Huwag ko ito mahirapan, binubulungan niya ako. Okay. Ito na lang. Sasama mo pahirapan. 1 plus 1. Thank you so much! Charot! Hindi ka ba? Siyempre ano lang yun. Here's my question to you. Gusto ko siya pahirapan. Tingin mo, kung di ikaw, sino sa tingin mo ang tatalo sa'yo sa competition ito? Kung di ikaw mananalo, sino sa tingin mo at bakit?
Gamer po.
So, Mr. Number 11, bakit?
May experience na po kasi siya sa akin.
No, God. Kaya pala. Pero, as what I said earlier, lahat kayo equal. Okay? Thank you so much, our Mr. Number 8. May I call our Mr. Number 9? Ang OPA ng Muslim community. Ay! Hindi! Ang problema ko lagi kapag practice, nakakaganti na ako. Ano yun? Mr. Number 9. Ano nga ito pangarap mo siya? Businessman ko. Businessman. Anong klaseng business ang nasa isip mo? Ano business po? Ano po lang sa papas? Isa. Tatalunin mo ang SM. Ano yung papangalan mo sa business mo, sir? Ano pangalan? The SM Store. Ano sa'yo? FM. Ano ito? The 7-Eleven shoe store. Thank you so much. Bilang. That's our Mr. Number 9. May I call in our Mr. Number 10? Ay, maraming may gusto dito. May nakita akong tumitin kanina nasa ngayon. Jowa mo? Jowa mo? Ay, pwede nila yung gabi. Diba? Kamusta ka, Mr. Number 10? Okay lang. Ano nga yung pangarap mo, sir? Businessman. Ayun. Kung siya, pangarap niya, isa patusan. The 7-Eleven shoe store. Ano yung sa'yo, sir? Ano yung papangalan mo sa damit? Anong pangalan ng business?Ag-isip din.
Agisip.
Ag-isip daw muna siya. Mga ilang oras, sir? 5, 4, 3, ano sa akin? Ha? Asher. Benten. Asher Benten. Sige na, thank you. Nagkata ko sa'yo. May I call our Mr. Number 11, the crowd favorite. Huwag ka lalapit sa akin, natatakpan ko lang ko eh. Naghanda ako, oh. Mr. Number 11, kumusta ka?
Kapag broken, natatakip. Pero kaya pa.
Ang dami sinabi. Ang dami ka na ito, no? Tumba ko na kaya ito. Ano pangarap mo, sir?
Doktor po.
Doktor. Kung magiging doktor ka, let's say, saan ka mag-i-specialize at bakit? Hello?
Gusto kong maging optical dahil gusto kong malinawan ang inyong mata sa kung anong tunay na halaga ng ganda nitong buhay.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Napulawan. Masyado mong ginagaling yan.
Oh, bigas din. Ah, kulit. Kaya na nakalat. Nakalat ang
May I request all of our candidates to please move backward just a little. Busog pa tayo, Doc? Sige pa po. Ayan. Because right now, ladies and gentlemen, we will be awarding the first set of special awards. Beginning with our two Mr. Photogenic. A few weeks ago, we held our photo shoot that being sponsored by the Tiamsing Photography, my dear brothers here. Palakpakan naman po. May Kuya Alvin and may Kuya Ansar together with Akram Akbara, who generously give us a sponsor to do their photo shoots and also do the stage. Palakpakan naman para sa ating stage ngayong gabi. Sila po ang gumawa niya. And my Kuya Ansar Tiamsing together with Mr. Akram Akbara chose two delegates who won the Mr. Photogenic Award. And they will be awarded, of course, by our own photographer, Mr. Andrew Tiamsing. Palakpakan naman po. Photogenic is... Sino sa tingin nyo? Our Mr. Photogenic is Mr. Number 11, Mr. J.R. Hassan. Thank you so much, Mr. Number 11. And our last of the second Mr. Photogenic is... Sino sa tingin nyo? Hindi ko makita yung number, nakakabahan ako. Mr. Photogenic is Mr. Number 10, Mr. Asher Tani. Congratulations. Ito ang our... Dito po tayo, sir. Dito po tayo. For the photo op. Together with Mr. Khalid Jumbani. Thank you so much and congratulations. Next is our Mr. Friendship Award. We have given our candidates to vote to whom they think is the friendliest of them all. And our Mr. Friendship is Mr. Number. Sino sa tingin nyo? Mr. Friendship, Mr. Number 1, Mr. Tyler Alasai. To be awarded by Ms. Raisa Tali. Thank you so much. Next award is our Organizers' Choice Award. We, the organizers, vote for this, for deserving candidates who had given us the reason why we should vote for them during the practice and also the interview we held yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. And our first Organizers' Choice Award is... Sino sa tingin nyo? To be awarded by Ms. Ashley Quintan. Hello? May I call on Ms. Julhura Nasi to award Julhura Nasi, if I'm mistaken. To award our first Organizers' Choice of... Hello. Our first Organizers' Choice Award is Mr. Number 7, Mr. Subiri Abiro. Our next Organizers' Choice Award to be awarded by Mr. Khalid Jumbani. You are the Organizers' Choice Award, Mr. Number 8, Mutsmar Jamahali. Thank you so much. Our next Organizer's Choice Award to be awarded by Mr. Henry Hujaji. And our Mr. Organizer's Choice Award is Mr. Number 3. Hello. Thank you very much. Award right now, our best in introduction. That was held a while ago. And ladies and gentlemen, our best in introduction is... Sino sa tingin nyo? Best in introduction is no other than Mr. Number 11! To be awarded by... Hello. By Ms. Raisa Talib. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our delegates in their dream career attire and with their respective awards for tonight. Thank you so much, our candidates. You will now go backstage to change for the next event. Vice Governor Jack Ponghon, Sir John John Ponghon, Mayor John Ponghon, Kapitana Tita Albert, Kagawad Haser Ino, Chairman Parker Basar, and Board Member Daniel John La Chica. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang suporta sa Muslim community. And Mr. Kagawad Haser Ino, sir. Thank you so much po sa inyong sponsor ngayong gabi. Sa walang sawang suporta sa Muslim community. And also our major sponsors, the Tiamsing Photography by Ansar Tiamsing and Akra Makbara. Our stage decorator, Mr. Alvin Tiamsing and Bata Masjid. The Aziz Makeup Artistry. And Hijab by Shamun by Faija Tiamsing. Thank you so much, ma'am, sir, for your generous support. I think our candidates are preparing for the next part of the competition. Meron po bang gustong umigal dyan? Para mag-entertain sa ating mga judge at sa ating pananguhin ngayong gabi. May I please call to give us a little traditional Pangalay dancing, the product of Muslim community, the daughter of my uncle, Miss Siti Maria Pahal. Palakpakan naman po. Pababayan po natin yan. Together with Mr. Khalid Jumdani and Mr. Henry Hujaji, para samahan po ang ating espesyal na panauhin ngayong gabi. Dancing tonight, I believe they will be performing Kulintangan Mr. Khalid Jomdani and Mr. Henry Hojali, together with our Dayang Dayang 2018, Miss Tasmira Nali. Palakpakan naman po. Tapos po sa mga gusto pong mag-panji o magsabit ng pera, abot nyo na lang sila. Joke. Pwede nyo po sila sabitan. Pero hindi na pwede mong bawin. Ngayon ko lang nakikita umigil ang ating Dayang-Dayang 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Miss Tasmira Nali, our very first Miss Dayang-Dayang 2018. Palakpakan naman po dyan. Parang ang lungkot naman na ngayong gabi. Huwag po kayo mag-alala. Marami po tayong awards na ibibigay ngayong gabi. DJ? Wala pa palakpakan dyan! their talent competition. Kulintangan, they will be wearing a Batawi attire, but they have to make sure they have batik in their attire, because if they don't have that batik in their attire, there will be
Speaking siya.
no award for the batik wear competition, if I'm not mistaken. Am I right, organizer? Okay. Talent competition together with the batik attire, sabay po yun. Dapat po yung candidates po natin while doing the igal, while wearing the Batawi, they have to have the batik in their attire. Pag wala po silang suot na batik, kayo na mawala. Mr. Candidate ready? DJ ready? Please welcome our Mr. Candidates in their talent competition, beginning with Mr. Number 1, Number 2, and Number 3. Please take to the center stage. Harap pa po tayo. Harap pa po tayo, Mr. And 3, 2, 1. Igan! Palakpakan naman po dyan! Huwag niyo magpapahiya. Kailangan yung mapatunan niya dahil mag-asawa rin kayo. Thank you very much. That's our Mr. 1, 2, and 3. Take a bow. Thank you so much. Get ready, our next batch. Mr. Number 4, 5, and 6. Please take the center stage. Harap po tayo. Tula Eagle in 3, 2, 1. Harap kayo sa judge. Lapitan niyo mga judge. Gawin niyo mga judge. Puntahan niyo si Kapitana. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. Number 4, 5, and 6. Naman po dyan. Isang masigaw palakpakan muna kapag tayo mag-diretso. Please welcome our Mr. Number 7, to the Eagle in 3, 2, 1.
Makukulit yung banda rito lahat eh.
Lapitan nyo si Kagawad Haser. At tsaka si Kagawad Pangkil. Lapitan nyo. Diretso. Higay ng badge sa nila. Mga Kagawad, lapitan nyo. Diretso. Wala pang 2 minutes. Wala pang 2 minutes, Mr. Candidate. Hindi pa kayo malapit sa mga judge. Sige pa! Wala bang gusto mag-bungee dyan? One minute pa! Thank you so much. That's our Mr. Candidate number 7, 8, 9.
Makukulit yung banda rito eh.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. number 10 and 11. Harap pa kayo, please. And to the Eagle in 3, 2, 1. Mr. number 10, ano na? Pwede ka mag-8-8 kung gusto mo. Mag-disco ka, mag-tiktok ka. Charot ka. Lapitan niyo yung mga judge. One minute pa. Thank you so much. That's our Mr. number 10 and Mr. number 11. Wala pa bang na-high blood dyan sa kakatawa? Hindi ko alam kung pinayin ko ba sila o ano.
Magaling umigal si ano, Pilog, no? Si Pilog.
While our candidate is preparing for the last part of the competition, which is the gummies attire,
Yung number 11.
equivalent to formal attire in Tagalog po.
Kasi iba nang
We would like to thank first our following sponsors for tonight who made this event possible. Thank you so much, our Congressman Jay Kong-hun, Vice Governor Jack Kong-hun, Sir John Jo Kong-hun, Mayor John Kong-hun, Kapitana Tita Albert, Kagawad Haser Ino, Chairman Parker Basar, Board Member Daniel John La Chica, Miss Joraya Ino, our SK Henry Hujaji, Mr. Chi Sigales, and our major sponsor, Tiamsing Photography, Shamon Events by Mr. Alvin Tiamsing, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I believe our candidate is still and our official tabulator for tonight is Mr. Romar Obispo. Palakpakan naman po dyan. That's my partner po. Ay, di ba nag-post ako ng sa page ko, yung Mrs. Marites? Parang gusto ko siya ituloy ngayon. Pero bago yon, mayroon po nag-request dito sa ating mga kasamahan na gusto pong paigalin ang ating butihing mga leaders ng Muslim community. Kagawad Hasser Ino, together with Mr.
Sa kalikod din, marami kasi yung mga nagsusuot. Ako po lang. Tapos magayaw sila rin ng matagal din.
Together with Mr. Parker Basar, para bigyan pa tayo ng konting igal ngayong gabi habang nag-ibig ang ating mga kandidato. Sana po inyo kaming paunlakan sa aming imbitasyon. Bihira po namin kayo makita umigal. Kagawad Hasser Ino, together with our product leader, Mr. Parker Basar. Tinatawagan po ang ating product leader, Mr. Parker Basar, para bigyan tayo ng kaunting igal-igal ngayong gabi. Together with Kagawad Hasser Ino, palakpakan naman po dyan! Para habang nag-abis po ang ating mga kandidato. They will be performing kulintangan. Nagalang isa pa pong malo, isa pa pong host. At gawin na po. Together with our board member, Mr. Daniel Jana Chica.